Hey beauties, it's Daisy if you are new, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Today we have this super cute half up, half down do. We got a little bang action going on here. I'm gonna show you how I got this look from start to finish, and if you're interested, keep on watching. Here is the packaging from Premiumlacewigs. They sent some goodies along with the wig. We have a wig cap, a comb, and all sorts of stuff. And I want to show you guys how the frontal looks straight out the packaging. It does come pre-plucked, but I also did pluck it some more off camera so it looks more natural. And the hair is super straight. It just has a little bent from being in the packaging. And here's a close-up of that lace. But I decided to add some highlights into this wig, so I'm just going to show you guys. I'm using the BW powder. I'm using like 3 different scoops, and I'm using a little bit of 40 volume developer to get that activated, and it's going to give us that beautiful blonde highlight. So I sectioned the hair off camera, and I'm just doing 2 little lines of the hair that I wanted highlighted. I didn't want too much highlight in this wig because I didn't want it to look blonde. I just wanted to have a little pop of color. And of course you want to cover the hair that is dyed with aluminum foil, so it would help activate the bleach and it will get that pretty color as well. And here is the final look. This is how the wig is looking after it's been air dried, and it still looks so good and sleek. I'm just gonna straighten it some more, and I wanted to show you guys just how bomb this hair looks. I really wish it had a deeper parting space because then I would have wore it like straight, but we made it work. So now I have the wig on my head straightened and everything. All we have to do is install it, and I'm loving the way I pluck this baby hairs. I have this cap on that's a little bit extra light, but all you have to do is just pull the wig a little bit forward so you don't see the cap, and we're gonna get this bad boy laid, okay? So first off, we have to cut this lace off, and I'm just gonna try to do a little bit of zigzag motion so it can look as natural as possible. And I like to get really close to the hairline. I don't like the extra lace to be left there. I think it looks dumb. You can see it in person. You may not be able to see it in videos, but you can definitely see it in person. So we're gonna use the handy dandy Gots to Be glue to lay this wig. And I'm just gonna focus on the forehead first. It's okay if you have a little bit of extra glue because you can just wipe this off with a damp paper towel or washcloth, whatever you have handy. And then just measure your forehead. It should be a little bit above 3 fingers, close to 4. So it doesn't look too far forward. I'm just gonna take a damp paper towel and just wipe off that extra glue. So we got the wig laid. Now we're gonna take our scarf and let this lace melt. So let's see how this lace came out. So the hairline is looking good so far. I'm just combing the hair in the direction that I want it so we can see the little slit in the hairline. So this hairline does not have a lot of parting space. So I'm trying to do a style that would complement this actual wig. I can't wear it like straight down with just a small little part, but I think I am going to make half of it, like do like a half up, half down do. Let's see if this works with this wig. First, I gotta get this part straight. So I absolutely love how this came out. I was really trying to do a look like this for the longest, like two little bangs here. And I was kind of iffy with some wigs because I'm like, okay, the parting space does not look right with this look. But this look, honey, I love it, okay? The highlight is everything. I just got a little highlight here in the front, nothing in the back. Let me show you guys the back of the hair. Sorry, my bra is all out. This bodysuit is on its last leg, okay? But here is the back of the hair. So I believe this wig is like 18 or 20 inches. Don't quote me. I'm gonna have everything in the description box. It comes down a little past my bust, well, right above my bust. So it's the perfect length. It looks way more natural than like a longer wig. I know some people are like, I'm not gonna wear 30 inches, 26 inches. So this is the perfect length for you if you're really into the natural looks. I wanted just a pop of color, but nothing too much. I didn't want the highlights to take over the wig because sometimes when I throw in a lot of highlights, it looks like the wig is more blonde than more on the brown side. So this was the perfect look. As far as shedding or anything, this hair does not shed. Like nothing is coming out. Nothing is tangling. This hair came super sleek straight out the packaging, so you don't have to worry about that. The only thing I didn't like is the parting space. The parting space stops like right here. So it's even shorter than 13 by 4. It's more like 13 by 2. That's why I decided to do this look, because it was perfect for this kind of wig, especially since we couldn't, you know, have a buyer part, you know, that's long enough. So it's fine, we just made it work. We just finessed this wig and it came out better than expected. I want to thank Premiumlacewigs for sending me this hair. They always have great quality hair. If you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you guys do. I hope you guys like this look. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. I want to thank you for watching, and until my next video, peace.